One afternoon, the rabbit and the fox were walking along a quiet forest road. At the edge of the path stood a wooden sign. It said, "Left, berry field, right, river." The rabbit stopped. "I didn't know there was a sign here," he said. The fox smiled. "Signs are helpful," he said proudly. "They tell you exactly where to go." The rabbit looked left, then right. "I could use some berries," he said. They turned left. After walking for a few minutes, they reached the river. The rabbit blinked. "This is the river." The fox frowned. "That's strange." They walked back to the sign. The sign now said, "Left, river, right, berry field." The fox gasped. "It changed." The rabbit tilted his head. "Signs don't change." The fox pointed. "It just did." They decided to test it. This time, they turned right. After a short walk, they reached the berry field. The fox crossed his arms. "See, it works." The rabbit nodded slowly. They walked back again. The sign had changed once more. Left, quiet path, right, quiet path. The fox stared at it. "What does that even mean?" The rabbit laughed softly. "Maybe it's confused." The fox stepped closer. "Hey, sign," he said loudly. "Make up your mind." The sign creaked in the wind. They chose left. The path was calm and silent. Too silent. No birds, no wind. Then they heard footsteps. Behind them. They turned. No one was there. The fox whispered, "I don't like quiet paths." They hurried back. The sign now read, "Left, safe way, right, not safe way." The fox smiled. Easy choice. They turned left. Immediately, a squirrel dropped an acorn on the fox's head. Bunk! The fox jumped. "Hey, that was not safe." The rabbit laughed. They returned to the sign. The sign creaked again. Now it said, "Left, try again, right, try again." The fox lost his patience. "This sign is lying," he said. The rabbit looked closely at the wooden board. The arrows were carved, but the words were painted. Fresh paint. The rabbit looked up. Above the sign, hidden in the tree branches, sat 3 birds. Each bird held a small paintbrush. One bird whispered, "Too fast?" One whispered, "Too slow?" The third giggled. The rabbit smiled. "They are changing it on purpose," he said. The fox looked up. The birds froze. Then one bird dropped a brush. The fox laughed loudly. "You did this?" The birds chirped nervously and flew away. The sign stopped changing. It now said nothing at all, just arrows. The rabbit nodded slowly. "A sign is helpful only if you don't blindly trust it." The fox scratched his head. "So, where do we go now?" The rabbit pointed down the road, the way we were already walking. They continued down the path. Behind them, the empty sign creaked gently in the wind, and somewhere in the trees, a bird giggled.